Everyone, if you're playing Grow a Garden, then you'll know yesterday was a very crazy admin abuse. There were like more than 150 level up lollipops, and prismatics, and even new event. And if you join at some time, then you'll get a cocoa vine seed and a nice IDK, but you'll get a nice one. Mm, you'll get a nice fence, whatever it is called. And it was not conducted by Jane Doll. It was conducted by DJ Jai. Thank you. Bye bye.